Hey guys, welcome to NewzoTech. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you that how you can make a bootable pen drive for Windows 10 or how you can burn a DVD for Windows 10. So let's begin today's video. First of all, we'll go to Google and search Windows 10 download. We'll go to Microsoft's official link and download the tool, and we will install it in our system. And now we will select create installation media, and now we will fill the details. And now I will select iOS file because for now I will be making a bootable DVD, and I will select the location and save. It will take time to get download, and after the download is completed, we will now install a software named Power iOS, and I will download it for 64-bit as my system supports 64-bit. And now I will go to tool and select burn, and after that I will select the location of the iOS file, and now it will get burned. As you can see, it is successfully burned for Windows 10. So that's it for today's video.